Learning shapes is so much fun. I am a triangle, pointy and neat, with 3 sharp sides and a shape so sweet. Look at a slice of yummy pie, or a sailboat floating by. I am a square, strong and wide, with 4 same sides. I stand with pride. A window, a gift, a tasty toast. I'm the shape you'll see the most. A door, a TV screen, I make the world bright and seen. I am a diamond shining bright, I twinkle and glow in the moonlight. Fly me high like a pretty kite, or see me sparkle in the night. I am a heart full of love, a special shape from up above. You'll find me in hugs and smiles so true, a happy heart just for you.